I have the OnePlus Watch 2, and I'll be showing you how to put this watch in silent mode. Now, when the watch is in silent mode, it basically means it's only going to vibrate for incoming calls and for notifications. Instead of making a sound, it's just going to vibrate. So what you want to do is swipe down from the top of the screen, and you're looking for this icon here. Now, if you tap on that icon, the blue circle disappears and it says ring mode off, and that means from now on the watch is going to be completely silent. Now it's also important to make sure it's going to vibrate. Just make sure the vibrations are enabled so you don't miss notifications and incoming calls. So to do that, just go to settings. The easiest way to go to settings is to swipe down and tap on this settings icon. That should take you to this main settings page. Now here, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then you should see vibration, tap on that, and make sure vibration and haptics is enabled. So that means even though your watch is in silent mode and it's not making any noises or sounds for notifications and incoming calls, it's going to vibrate on your wrist and you can hear, or rather you can feel every notification. Thank you for watching and good luck.